I gotta give another banger video, boys. Your boy V8 Mopar. Y'all see it on the window right here. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Push the like button. I see you looking. YouTube, let me know if you're looking at that. And let me know who I subscribe to my channel. I have to preach this. I know y'all tired of hearing me say. Just push the subscribe button because everything you keep coming back. But y'all see the thumbnail. I'm gonna get straight to the point. Should you or should you not buy a Dodge? Personally, on V8, I love this thing. I mean, we love our Dodges. I mean, speak to anybody, we love them. I'm just mad at the fact that they took so long. Finally, we got a set date that all of this is gonna be different. Everything, a whole redesign gonna come soon. So, what y'all think, man? Do y'all really like this thing? Are we tired of it? Most people it is. It didn't take the Mustangs to do that long to do a redesign. I don't think. I seen like two of them, at least since these came out. Since 2015, I think Mustang did at least two redesigns. I think Chevy did at least one. I know for sure they did at least one. I'm not really sure about two for Chevy. So why did it take Dodge so long to set a date for the redesign for the Chargers, man? I mean, the security system sucks. Why do we buy these cars and with no security system in there? I just looked at my man Knockout 360. Y'all check his video out. They literally was stealing the Dodges TRX Hellcat Durangos straight off the dealership floor. I know y'all seen videos, but they straight up went in there and they stole the TRX Durango, Hellcat Durango, not TRX Durango, damn, TRX Ram TRX. Hellcat Durango, and what was it? Another Durango. I think that was a GT model though. A couple Chargers, Hellcat Chargers, whatever. But I think it was at least four. It came up to $350,000 worth of cars. But they ended up finding some of them, recovered some of them. The Hellcat had the front ends smashed in a little bit. I don't know if that's fixable or it was. I make it so bad. It's actually somebody's car. I mean, so. We buy these cars, and the long system sucks. It's so easy to steal this car. If they want your car, they're going to get it. The place they actually make these cars is in Michigan, I think he said. Michigan, they went to the place to actually manufacture the cars, went into the parking lot of the employees, and stole somebody's car. So what they're saying is, if you stay up there in Detroit, certain areas where you stay at, people will steal your car. You might not even buy a Dodge. If you buy a Dodge, make sure you locked it up. You got a garage in your house. Even then, it's kind of suspect, but you're a little bit safer. I think you're a little bit safer then. You definitely get to practice your Fifth Amendment. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, you gotta do what you gotta do to protect your valuables, right? All right, cool. But back to the topic though. Yes, I have not that many problems with my Dodge. I got 150. Hold on, let me see. Let me start this thing up. Okay, the thing on. I think I got 153,000 miles on my Dodge. Haven't changed the spark plug. The only thing I changed inside of my car, or under the hood, whatever, was my thermostat. I changed that out. And you do not have to go to the shop to do some of this stuff, y'all. I did it myself. I mean, you just switch it out, you pull it in, plug it in, boom. I mean, some coolant gonna leak out. Some coolant gonna leak out. I placed about 2 or 3 towers around where the coolant gonna leak, so it could absorb most of the coolant. Cause you don't want to smell that thing for about a week, cause you're gonna smell it. I wish I smelled mine for about 4 days. So, not about 3 days. Good 3 days I smelled the coolant. You know, just there. You know what I'm saying? Nothing wrong. My car didn't run hot. I poured a little bit of water in there. That was it. It didn't really need it, but I did it anyway. Excuse me, I'm tired, man. You don't understand, but we had a wild night last night. But anyway, back to the subject. I'm gonna get back to that. So, I haven't changed the spark plugs in this thing yet. I know I should. I kind of want to do it myself. I think I probably will. I'm probably gonna go to my homeboy house. We probably gonna try to do it ourselves. It's pretty easy. You just take the cooling packs off, get the spark plug, and get down there. I don't know why the dealership want to charge me $600 for that though. The dealership want to charge me $600. And we all know the V8s. Somebody said the V6 got them too, but I'm not really sure. So if you got a V6 charger or you change your spark plugs, comment below. Do y'all have 16 spark plugs? Because I know all the V8s, we got 16 spark plugs, 2 spark plugs per cylinder. And I was asking my mechanic, I said, why do they do that? So this is why they put 16 spark plugs in there. Which is actually efficient though, because one spark plug ignites, and then the other one ignites and burn off the gas, blah blah blah. That's your combustion. It pushes down, then the other spark plug ignites. It burns off the excess gas that was on top. It's probably leaked down the bottom. That's what I was told. It burns off the other excess of gas, so you're not wasting fuel pretty much, and it's more combustion. So more combustion mean more power. That's it. But I mean, I can start my car. I had a good night yesterday. And I kind of want to move to this parking space next to me, but I'm gonna stay right here. But we had a wild night yesterday, man. We actually used these cars for what Dodge actually promote in the videos of Van Diesel and all that. That's what we was doing. If you see the video, Van Diesel video with him saying, "Do you want to buy a Dodge? Why not? We can't hurt you anyway." Stuff like that. That's what we was doing. Hey, we had a good time, man. Y'all go check my Instagram out. It's VA Mopar. And y'all see some of the stuff. Or check my car page too. 77 Black Knight 757. That's my car page. All right. So with that being said, would I prefer you to buy a Dodge? I mean, hell yeah. That's why we go get a Dodge, then we go get another Dodge. Yo, it's weird. Like it's kind of hard to explain. But once you buy one, you're gonna want another one. You're gonna want another one. You're gonna want more power. I didn't know that until I actually got into a Dodge. That you like, yeah. Usually you get a car, you be like, yeah, I'm thinking about something different. You think about the next level, the next trim up. That's what you're thinking about with a Dodge. But that's what I think about. That's what my homeboys think about too. This piece coming out. This piece coming off. I don't know. Should I just take the whole thing off and say screw it? Should I just take all this stuff off and say screw it? No, I'm gonna keep it up there. I actually like it though. Real talk. What y'all think? Hold on, let me see. I picked this up here. This one didn't really fit right, so I use it. But I pretty much glued it right here. The glue came off a little bit, but for the most part, I got it over there. Got it down here. All this stuff went on easy though. Got it right here. Got it from my door knobs. I didn't get this piece up for this though yet. I was gonna get it, but I changed my mind. But it was over here. Alright, so yeah, piece down. All this right here. All this piece just stuck up there easily. It's just like the look. I'm not trying to act like I'm something on that. I pretty much ordered it. It was just I just like the look. Alright. For the most part. That's it, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all tell me what y'all think. I mean, I can start my car right now. Watch this, I'm gonna start it up for y'all. Let's start it straight up. Knock on wood. It's not one time that I didn't start my car. That I tried to start my car and it wouldn't start. The only thing I can tell you, sometimes it had a little glitch. I don't know if, let me see if I'm the only one got this. Sometimes when I get in my car, and sit down, push you push the brake, you push the start button. Do your car tell you like your key's not detected? I'm like, what the? So I open the door, shut it back, and push it, and it started up fine. I don't understand that. I never did. But man, I'm about to be out. Your boy kind of hungry. So with this being said, my 150,000 miles charger. Well, I do have this one issue with this little wheel. If I turn my wheel, sometimes it make a little pop noise. But I changed my upper control arm. It went away for a minute. Then it came back. So I don't need to think. I did need to change my upper control arm. I did change my, my fault. My thermostat under the hood, bro. But I changed my toe links in the back. My rear toe links. I changed one. Cause my car, I didn't know that y'all might have the same issue. When you're driving, if you hit a bump or something, do it go like this? It might go like that. It took me forever to figure out what this was. I thought it was you gonna think it is your wheel alignment. No, it's your toe link. Your toe link is in the back. It's kind of like a stabilizer bar for your front, but it's in the rear. So, matter of fact, that's exactly what it is to stabilize your car. For you keep your back end lined up with your front. So when you hit a bump, it's gonna stay straight with your front end. But it took me forever to realize that it is raining out here, bro. Like 1 minute it'll rain hard, and next minute it'll rain soft. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I'm really trying to go in until it comes down. So y'all can just hear me talk, man. You know what I'm saying? Holler at your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? I think some of my guys trying to get up today, but weather like this, I'll be like this. Call of Duty. Here I am. Hey, if you want to follow me on Call of Duty, it's Big Charger /392. Why am I thinking 392? Because at the end of the day, I'm going to have a 392. I don't know. I think, honestly, God, I think I'm going to end up keeping this car and still get the 392. That's my goal. That's what I think. I don't want to get rid of my baby because once I do get my 392, I ain't driving back with 392 every day. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Why put all the miles on that car when I already got all these miles on this car? You know what I'm saying? Who knows? I might want to sell it in 2 years anyway, you know? Might want to go get a cat or something, man. You know what I'm saying? You never know. But if I end up keeping this car, I'm gonna keep it. Hopefully my baby girl, she probably want it. Who actually gives their kids a Dodge Charger? How many people you know they actually gave, like, yeah, I gave my kid a Charger, you know what I'm saying? That was my first car, you know? Man, this thing probably heavily modified back then, though. Heavily modified. I am going to do a tune, though. Y'all just stay back and watch for that video. But for the most part, y'all, that's pretty much all. That's pretty much it, though. You know what I'm saying? I love my baby. Love my baby to death. I ain't got no regrets on my boo-boo. Nope. Everything's still working fine. All my heat, climate, everything changed. So, man, I ain't gonna talk the whole y'all here, but look, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Holler at your boy, BMO Park. I'm out. Peace.